nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who was dead. Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was.
This is your sign to buy the Valentine's Day M&Ms before they run out. That way you can make these Oreo M&M cookies whenever the cravings hit. They are so cute, chewy, and so delicious. You'll love them.
Dipped key lime pie. So good. Crackers, sugar, butter, crust, condensed milk, yolks, juice from the keys, zest from the keys, and vanilla. So good. Now bake and freeze. Pie is ready. Gorgeous slice. Chocolate. Melted. Now dip. Ooh. Cheers, guys.
Here's how to make Nutella stuffed chocolate chip cookie sandwiches. You only need 3 ingredients for the shortbread: butter, sugar and flour. Then fold in the chocolate chips. Roll a tablespoon of dough into a ball and flatten it into a disc. Bake in the oven until light brown, then let them cool. Pipe on a blob of Nutella, then press another cookie on top. Pop them in the fridge if the Nutella is very soft, and that's it. Enjoy!
Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah, take it, yeah.
What's up guys, today we're going to be making easy Biscoff and Nutella dream bars. Crush up Lotus biscuits, then set aside 2 tablespoons and mix the rest with melted butter. Press it into a tin and refrigerate for now. Next, whisk together cream cheese and icing sugar, then transfer half into another bowl. Add Nutella to this bowl and whisk until combined. Then add Biscoff spread to the other bowl and whisk it in. Scoop the Nutella cheesecake onto the base and smooth it out. Then scoop on the Biscoff cheesecake and smooth this out. Whisk double cream to soft peaks, then scoop it into the tin and smooth it out. Sprinkle with the remaining Biscoff crumbs and pop it in the fridge to set. Enjoy!